Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Today, we return to a big question. What is the real difference between a rich home and a poor home? Last time, we said it is not money. Today, we will prove it with a true story. This story is strange. A man had everything, but he felt like he had nothing.
His name is Fumio Sasaki. He lived in Tokyo. He worked as an editor. His job looked good on paper, but something inside him felt wrong.
What was wrong?
He compared himself to other people every single day. His friends looked more successful. His coworkers looked smarter. So he did what many of us do. He started buying things.
What kind of things?
Books he never read, a camera he rarely touched, a guitar and an amp, a big television, a video game console, boxes and boxes of old items. His small apartment became very full.
A full apartment, but was he happy?
No, and here is the strange part. The more things he owned, the worse he felt.
That does not make sense. More things should feel like more success.
That is what everyone thinks, but his mind told a different story. One night, he sat alone in his room. He looked at everything he owned, and he said something very honest. He said, "I have not done much in my life." He said, "I have nothing to be proud of."
Wow, that's a heavy thing to say out loud.
It is. But many people feel this quietly. They just never say the words. So this is the moment everything changed?
Not yet. There is something more surprising first.
This feeling did not stop him from buying more. It made him buy even more.
Wait, why?
Because he hoped one object would fix the feeling. A new camera might make him feel important. A new guitar might make him feel talented, but the feeling never came. Only more boxes came.
This sounds like a trap.
It is a trap, and many of us are inside it right now. We don't buy guitars, we buy shoes, we buy phones, we buy things we forget in 1 week. The feeling is always the same.
So how did he ever escape?
One quiet night, something small happened. He saw a photo online, a photo of another person's room. It was almost empty, just a desk, a chair, nothing else.
An empty room? That sounds sad.
That is what he thought too. But the man in the photo did not look sad. He looked calm. He looked free. Sasaki could not stop thinking about that photo.
So he decided to copy it?
Not right away. First, he felt fear. He thought, if I have less, I will feel less.
That makes sense to me.
Many people feel this same fear, so they never try. But Sasaki did something brave. He picked up his guitar first.
The guitar he had not played in years?
Yes. He held it one last time. Then he let it go. Next, the amp. Then the big television. Then the game console. Piece by piece, the room became emptier.
Did it feel like losing something?
At first, yes. Every object felt like a small piece of his past. But then something unexpected happened.
What happened?
He did not feel emptier. He felt lighter.
Lighter. I really like that word.
His apartment became very simple. A desk, a small box, a roll-up bed on the floor. That's all he kept.
That still sounds too empty for me.
Most people say that. But listen to what he said next. He said his mind became sharp and clear. He said he felt thankful again. A cup of tea felt special again. Sunlight on the floor felt special again. He even said his body felt lighter too. He lost wheat without trying.
This is the moment we needed. This is the real difference between rich homes and poor homes.
Exactly. A rich home is not full of expensive things. A rich home is full of chosen things.
What's the difference between full and chosen?
A full room asks 100 silent questions. Keep me? Use me? Move me? A chosen room asks only one question. Do I truly need this?
One question instead of 100. That already sounds more peaceful.
It is. And peace is the real wealth we are talking about.
Wait, I have a question about Sasaki himself. Did he become a perfect, calm monk after this?
No, and this next part is very interesting.
Tell me.
He still loves certain brands. He never says, my phone. He always says, my iPhone.
That is very human.
Yes, he taught people to let go of objects, but part of him still wanted people to see him as a minimalist.
So even minimalism can become a new kind of object?
Yes, that is true. Not a thing you hold in your hand, but a picture of yourself that you want others to see.
I did not expect this.
His story is not finished yet. This is why his story feels real. He is not a perfect teacher. He is not fully free. He is just a man who tried something honest.
I think that makes him easier to trust.
I agree completely. A perfect teacher feels far away from us. An imperfect one feels like our neighbor.
Why do so many of us compare ourselves like he did?
Social media makes it much worse today. We see other people's best moments only, their trips, their new things, their smiling photos. We compare our whole life to one single photo. That is not fair to us.
So maybe the problem was never us. Maybe the problem is comparison itself.
Yes, this brings us back to our first question. Why does a poor home sometimes feel richer than a rich home?
Why?
Because a poor home can still choose its objects with care, and a rich home can still be full of things nobody chose with care. You can buy more with money, but money cannot tell you what you truly need.
So the size of the house was never the real answer.
No, the real answer was always inside the room, not the price of the room.
What should we do tonight?
Do not empty your whole house tonight. That usually fails fast. Pick just one object, something you have not touched in 1 year. Hold it in your hands for a moment. Then let it go. Just one object. That is enough to begin.
One object tonight. I can do that.
Sasaki did not become free in one single day. He became free one object at a time. Freedom was never about owning nothing. Freedom was about choosing what stays.
So here's our final answer. A rich home is not the home with more things. A rich home is the home with the right things.
And that home can belong to anyone, rich or poor, big house or small room.
I'll remember that tonight. Before we finish, tell us in the comments, which one object will you let go tonight? Your answer may inspire another viewer. In our next video, we'll explore why success doesn't always bring happiness. If today's video helped you, please like and subscribe. And if you become a member, you can get our PDF. This PDF is written in your native language, so you can understand the key ideas more clearly and review them easily. It includes the main points, self-protection steps, and new words. Many members say it really helps them at work every day. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.